We're starting our walk to the waterfalls at ground level today, deep in the rainforest. Listen to the beautiful birdsong down here and check out this massive Strangler Fig Tree. Isn't that impressive? What a giant! We gradually meander up and up, and can you notice how the vegetation is changing already? Wow, look at these Banksia flowers. Amazing. And when we peek through the vegetation here, we can see a waterfall. And that's not even the one that we were aiming for. What an amazing surprise. Have a look at these gorgeous little purple wildflowers on the side of the path. So pretty. Up higher even, we encounter a number of Scribbly Gums. Really out of the rainforest now, into Eucalypt forest. And we can see different flowers here, like the Wattle, this pretty pink one, and the Westringia. An opportunity for a good look out here. Wow. We've reached the top now, and we can follow the creek to where it takes a plunge in the depths. Do you hear that? What an amazing chorus of frogs. They must really love it up here. And that's the edge of the cliff. What a view! Wow! And when we turn our head around the corner, we will get a good look at that waterfall we were aiming for. There it is. Beautiful. Well worth the climb. If you enjoyed this walk, subscribe to my channel for more and let me know in the comments what you enjoyed the most today. I'd love to hear from you and hope to see you again on the next walk.